All prepositions in English. To download the PDF file of this lesson, go to our Telegram channel, link in description. Higher position in space. The birds were flying above the clouds. Higher level or rank. She rose above her competitors in the competition. More than or exceeding in number or quantity. The temperature is above 30 degrees Celsius today. Beyond in authority or power. The decision is above my pay grade. Superior in quality or importance. The movie was above average in terms of entertainment. Written or printed text on a page. The title is written above the paragraph. Not below or covered by. Hang the picture above the fireplace. Overhead or upstairs. The bedrooms are above the living room. Concerning or in reference to. We were talking about the issue mentioned above. Too good for something. That behavior is above reproach. Location/direction. The cat is about the house. Approximate quantity or number. There are about 20 people in the room. Topic or subject. Let's talk about your plans for the weekend. In the vicinity of, near. I saw a cafe about the corner. On the subject of. I heard a rumor about your promotion. Expressing imprecise time. I'll be there at about 3 o'clock. Expressing purpose or reason. We are here to talk about the new project. Expressing an action or activity. She's about her work. Expressing movement or action within an area. The children are running about the garden. Used to express an estimate or judgment. That's about right. From one side to another, spatial. The bridge extends across the river. In a crosswise direction, spatial. She drew a line across the paper. On the opposite side, spatial. The store is across the street. Extending or spreading over an area, spatial. The forest stretches across miles. Encountering or meeting something or someone, spatial. We came across an old friend at the party. Expressing motion or action through a space, spatial. The bird flew across the sky. Covering or dealing with a range or scope, figurative. The discussion ranged across various topics. In opposition or contradiction, figurative. His actions go across his words. Expressing distribution or division, figurative. The responsibilities are distributed across the team. On the other side of an obstacle or barrier, spatial. The cat jumped across the fence. Subsequent time. She arrived after the meeting had ended. Following in order or sequence. After breakfast, we went for a walk. In pursuit or chasing. The dog ran after the ball. In representation or imitation of. She painted a picture after Van Gogh. Subsequent to a point in time. After the rain stopped, we went outside. In search or quest of. He is after a new job. In accordance with. We modeled our project after their success. In spite of. After all his efforts, he didn't succeed. In descendant relationship. She is the daughter after her mother. Following or behind in space. The car is just after ours in the parking lot. Physical contact or resting on a surface. The latter is against the wall. In opposition or contradiction. She argued against the proposal. Physical impact or collision. The car crashed against the barrier. In contact with for support or leaning. He stood against the door. In preparation or defense. They are armed against any threat. In resistance or opposition to. He struggled against the current. Contrasting or comparing. Consider it against other options. Facing or in front of. The team is against a tough opponent. In exchange for or offset by. I'll trade my bike against your skateboard. In anticipation of. She leaned against the railing, waiting for him. In a line or parallel to. We walked along the riverbank. In company or association with. She went along with her friends. In progress or continuation. The project is moving along smoothly. Throughout the length of. The path leads along the coastline. Following or in accordance with. The car drove along the highway. With reference to. She talked along the lines of the main topic. In the process or course of. I read the book along the way. In close proximity to. The shops are along the street. In cooperation or partnership. They worked along with the other team. Moving in a linear fashion. The train moved along the tracks. In the midst of or surrounded by a group. She is among friends. Being a member of a group or category. He is among the best students in the class. In distribution or apportionment. Divide the candies among the children. In the company or presence of. His name is among those invited. In the midst or mix of. Find peace among the chaos. In collective relationship or interaction. Cooperation is crucial among team members. Sharing or dividing equally. The prize money was distributed among the winners. In the number or quantity of. He is among the top scorers. In comparison or distinction. The book stands out among its peers. In the midst of different elements. The treasure was hidden among the rocks. Surrounding or encircling. We sat around the campfire. In the vicinity of or near. There's a park around the corner. Approximately or about in quantity or time. The meeting will start around 2 p.m. Moving in a circular path or direction. The Earth rotates around its axis. In a general area or region. He travels around Europe. Concerning or dealing with. Let's talk around the issue. In the presence of or with. There are friends around me. In different directions or places. Scatter the toys around the room. In circulation or existence. There are rumors around about the new project. Used for emphasis or approximation. I have around 10 books on my shelf. Specific point in space. She is waiting at the bus stop. Specific time. The meeting is scheduled at 3 p.m. Specific age or stage. He is good at playing the piano for his age. Specific location or destination. I'm staying at a hotel downtown. Specific activity or event. She excels at sports. Indicating a rate or price. The product is available at a discounted rate. In the direction or aim of. He threw the ball at the target. Indicating a skill or proficiency. She is talented at solving puzzles. Indicating a state or condition. The patient is at rest. Indicating a specific point in a process. He is at step 3 of the project. The end of part 1. To see other parts, go to the playlist of prepositions. To download the PDF file of this lesson, go to our Telegram channel, link in description. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.